companies like Uber and Lyft and other ride-sharing services, they've become really popular lately. And I've even used them myself. I think they're great, but a lot of people have questions about insurance related to those vehicles. Now, the good news is, and I did some research on this, if you're a passenger in a car that is driven by, say, an Uber driver, you have $1 million of liability coverage that's going to extend, if the driver is held liable for an accident or some sort of injury that you might incur. So as a passenger, really, you're protected. But as a driver, there's more ambiguity with your insurance with these ride-sharing services. Now, on your personal auto insurance, it very clearly states on the policy that you're using your vehicle for personal use, not for business use. So where the ambiguity lies is, say you're an Uber driver and you drop off your passenger's in your car. Okay, we know they're protected by Uber for that $1 million of liability coverage, but you drop your passenger off. And then you're in your car waiting for the next, ride. And you're driving, say, to the next ride. Okay, who's covering your insurance there? Your personal auto insurance or Uber, which I don't think Uber or Lyft is covering you unless you have a passenger in your car. And they are offering what they call like contingent coverages. It's all very blurry and unclear. If you're driving your car for business and you have a personal auto insurance policy, then you really need to consider getting a commercial auto insurance policy. It's not as easy when you're doing like driving for hire because most insurance companies do not want to write those policies. Bottom line is, if you want to be a driver, then you need to look at your own policy, look at the exclusions, and call your agent or call your insurance company and ask questions. Also, make sure that you get this all in writing from the company that you're driving for, what their coverages are, what their liability limits are going to be, just to protect yourself. If you have any questions related to, being a driver for hire or any other business auto policy questions, give me a call, send me an email, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'd be happy to answer your questions in a future video. Thank you.